I am at my local community where we have some waterfalls. Sometimes we had about 4 inches of rain. I was hoping for some waterfalls. Not so much. Check it out. When it rains really hard, our lake fills up and it goes over the sluice gate, and this can be a torrent of water with all these large rocks. Boy, it mixes up really nasty. I'll make sure to come here when we get it. Usually the springtime we get it. This is late September, and we had an unusual rain. Hurricane Helene came up through my area. I'm pretty far north, so we just had light winds, 20-30 miles an hour max. There are a few trees down in the neighborhood, but for the most part we're all good. But we've got a little pond right here. Check out the photo, I'll put it up here. Hopefully it turns out good. Yeah, good or not, I'll put it up there with you. I'm going to try what's called a focus stack. But you can see right here I've got some trees here, and those are not in focus. A little waterfall down here, tiny waterfall, some rocks. So I want to get this in focus to really give it some depth. So we'll take one photo with the waterfall in focus. Snap that shot, 2-second delay, and it's a 2-second exposure. And now I'm going to focus on the tree branch, 2-second delay again. And I'm going to take a third picture, and this time I'm just going to put 2 fingers in front of my lens. And the purpose of that is I know the pictures before those 2 fingers are my photo stack. All right, that's about it for here. Not a whole lot going on. Hopefully I got a good photo of that. If I didn't share it before, I will share it right here. It's a very dreary day. I follow a gentleman called Henry Turner. He's over near Scotland, UK. Us Americans don't know what is what over there. We're horrible at our geography for that area. But I love his channel. Check him out. I'll put a link down below for where he is. But I call this Henry Turner weather. Kind of nasty. I don't have my rain jacket on right now because it's not raining, but that's okay. And he loves this type of weather. And maybe because it rains there a lot, who knows? It's not for me. So if you're enjoying my videos and what I teach and what I share, hit the like and subscribe. It definitely helps.